Letter to a Lightworker by Rebecca Campbell. I believe that you came into this life with a deep inner knowing of what you were here to do, with an inner guidance system to make it happen. I'm not talking about a carefully laid out path which comes with an instruction manual, but rather an unshakable, deep-seated knowing that you're here for a reason. That there is serious work to do and that the universe will support you in doing it. I believe that until you answer this calling, you will feel as that there is something always missing and that's something you have forgotten. No matter what you use to numb it out, it will be there. The only way to silence the calling is to answer it. I believe that your message is so deeply ingrained that sometimes it's hard to realize that everyone doesn't think like you. They don't. I believe you chose your parents. No matter how hard or soft, rich or poor, light or dark, old or young, present or not, kind or troubled, you chose them. And with this simple selection, you were put in exactly the right place and given exactly what you needed as inspiration to rise up into yourself, to rise up into your highest, most authentic self, to take your position. I believe that your tragedies, your losses, your sorrows, and your pain happened for you, not to you. And I bless the thing that broke you down and cracked you open because the world needs you open. I believe that life lessons are less about getting it right and more about getting it wrong. I believe that you are more on track than you feel, even if you don't feel it, especially if you don't feel it. For the further you get off track, the closer you actually are to abandoning the wrong path and leaping onto the right one. I believe that you are closer than you think and more qualified to deliver your message than you can ever fathom. I believe that the things that you are here to teach are the very things you need most to learn, and the best teachers are the ones that struggle the most, because when they get it with a triple smackdown. I believe that the darkness is a birthing process, and that in order to find your light first, you need to venture through the shadows of your own ego. I believe that in order to be a light in the world, first, you need to come home to who you truly are, and then bravely show it to all those around you. I believe that you are surrounded by a personal team of angels, guides, and teachers, both in this world and beyond, who are so completely devoted to your growth that if you understood this, you would spend not one more day worrying about things working out. And if you could see things from their viewpoint, each time you'd see a challenge, you would meet it with a cheer. I believe in you, I believe in us, and all of this, and so it is.